Hey guys, this is Andy with American Jetter. Today I want to show you our 51T series hot water jet. This particular one has one burner, but it can be upgraded to dual burners, or you can use the option to get an Inferno Burner, which essentially gives you, in our test, about 67% more fuel efficiency on your diesel or kerosene usage. And there's also other options on the website. Just check that out. This one has dual engines. You can get it with a single engine. The hose reel in the back is powered anytime the key switch is in the on position. You have power there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you operation with it without wireless. It also has wireless, but it operates exactly the same in manual mode. At the back, you would open this valve to have water flowing, close it to stop the water flow, and there's also a foot valve and different things that you connect, or connectors you can connect the portable reel using your main hose as a jumper. So I'm gonna run that through there and show you what we got. That's with one engine running. We'll start the second engine. Two engines running. Then we'll turn the hot water on. That's with hot water. Now that's with manual mode. If you're using wireless remote, you would start the engine. You'd open that ball valve in the back like this. Anytime you want hot water, wirelessly or manual mode, basically all you do is just turn your burner on, set your thermostat for your desired temperature, and it'll automatically come on once the water is flowing. If you want just cold water, just don't turn the burner on, and it'll just run through the burner and give you cold water. There are bypass connections if you want to bypass it for, if you're using it for a long extended period of time in cold water, you can just bypass that burner completely. But show you the operation on the wireless. Key switch needs to be in the on position on both engines. We'll start one engine to begin with. You reel your hose reel out wirelessly, or reel it back in. It's a really strong reel. Literally pulling a trailer with it. Let me reel that back out. We'll start engine number one. And kill it. And now the other wireless will start both engines at the same time. So anytime you would have a nozzle on there, you'd have pressure. You adjust the pressure right here by turning it clockwise, will raise the pressure. Counterclockwise will lower it. You could also use a pulse valve to make it vibrate in the hose or in the pipe to get you around elbows and longer runs. So basically, as far as wireless goes, you do the same thing on the burner. Turn your burner on. Crank up one engine. Hot water. And then Crank up 2 engines with hot water. And then reel it back in wirelessly. There's also a portable reel back here that you can actually operate on the trailer itself, or you can remove it with 2 pins and use an adapter to use it indoors. I may have mentioned that earlier, but that's available. Both your gasoline and diesel tanks has gauges on it. Large toolbox here in the front with all your accessories. Then you got an inlet reel that will fill the tank up to about 3 or 4 inches from the top with dual floats. Let's see what else we got. Tandem axle trailer, electric brakes on both axles. This one has some of the other options of lights and strobe light. All those are listed on our website. So if you have any questions, just feel free to give us a call, and look forward to building one for you. Thanks, you guys. Have a good day. Take care.